I learned a lot of plastic injection molding, and he solved a lot of injection molding problem to me.
I have learned many new things about this course topic.
What I learned from this training is about the preventing and maintenance about the injection molding. Training is
I learned how to analyze problem and in injection molding, so I can get some problem solving.
A very good trainer in plastic injection molding, and he has a very vast experience in plastic injection.
He has done a very good job in describing today's topic and give us a very good understanding about the topics.
I think that the trainer is a very good trainer, very informative, and we can learn a lot from him.
He is a very knowledgeable person and very responding to every of our question, and all of our question and doubt has been answered very well.
And I think he have done a good job because he have shared good technical knowledge and experience in a theoretical way. So then I have learned much more on plastic injection molding and defect prevention. So
OTC Training Centre has providing a very good arrangement to the course. So I would recommend all the plastic injection industry people to attend to this course organized by OTC.
I think OTC Training Centre has give very good service and very recommended for everyone.
for me, it's a very good service whereby they accommodate to all our requests and then they provide us good hospitality. So I will definitely come back again to OTC for another set of training session. Thank you.
The OTC service is good because we have an unlimited free flow of coffee.
I think OTC service is the good service because I would encourage more training on this type of training lah.